So now let's see how we can work around with the emboss filter inside of GIMP. So in order to do that, you can see that I already have this particular image, and now in order to apply the emboss filter, I'm going to go around onto the filters menu, and then I'm going to go around over here onto distorts right here. And over here you can see that the second option is emboss. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see the emboss filter applied. So I can go around and change around the threshold, as you can see right here, to change around the direction of the emboss right here. I can even utilize this little wheel right here, as you can see right here, and you can see that as I move this particular value, the wheel changes out, and you can see the direction of the emboss. You can change around the elevation level right here, just like this. So you can really make it high right here, or you can make it soft right here. You can really change around the colors, and then you can go around and change this out according to how you want. You can change around the depth level as well. So you can decrease out the depth level to make it very soft, or increase it out as well. And you can see the split view right here, just like this, by clicking on the split view option over here. And you can see the before and after right here, just like this. Or you can go around and then you can uncheck it out as well. Apart from that, you can change around the opacity to see the original image, and you can also go around and change around. Let's say, for example, you can go for darken only to darken it out right here. You can go around onto, let's say, for example, lighten only to lighten it out right here, just like this, and utilize the blending modes right here, just like this as well. So that is how you can work around with the emboss filter inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.